Tricebvby gang, it is your girl Darty here. Welcome to my channel. I am so happy you decided to stop by to click on this video. Hope you guys enjoy my channel. For today's video, whoa, I'll be showing y'all how I create my thumbnails using only 3 apps, and I do it all from my iPhone here, okay? So this is gonna be a step-by-step on how I do my thumbnails. If you wanted to know how your girl do your thumbnails, this has been a highly requested video, and I told y'all stay tuned. I got y'all. So I'm about to show y'all how I do my thumbnails. So let's just stop all the rambling and just get into it. So I'm gonna just start my good old screen record. So first, if y'all already seen what's in my iPhone, y'all already know what's in this folder. But if you haven't checked out that video, I'll link it down below, okay? So you're gonna need PixArt, Fonto, and Supreme Impose X. I don't know if I said that right or wrong. I really don't know. So you're gonna need those 3 apps. PixArt is free, Fonto is free, and Supreme Impose X, that is $5. So if you don't want to pay $5, it is another app that's like this app, and it's called Canva, if I'm not mistaken, something like that. So you can use that in replace of that. So yeah, so first we just gonna get started with going into the Supreme app. As y'all can see, I already got thumbnails created. So I'm gonna just do the plus at the bottom, and I'm going to do, which one I want to do? I'll just do this random picture. So you're gonna want the ratio to be 16:9 because that's the YouTube thumbnail ratio. So I'm gonna just press a check. Okay. And then I'm going to go to, I'm gonna go to editor, and you got like all these tools that y'all can see right here. You know, you got the brush, all that. So I think I just want to blur this background. So I'm gonna just go to, should I do motion blur? I'll show y'all motion blur for the purpose of this. So I'm gonna just go to effects. That's not what I want. Effects, motion blur, and it's gonna look like that. And then I'm gonna just press the check. So then I'm gonna go back in, and then y'all see where it look like you got 3 layers. That's where you layer the picture. So I'm gonna just add that same picture over it, and I'm gonna just do it the first one because I want it to be the regular size. So then we're gonna go to mask, and then we're gonna go to mask tool, and then we're gonna do auto mask. Sometimes you do have to click on the first one and actually like cut it out. So yeah, but if you don't have a lot going on in your background, that's the key to thumbnails. If you don't have a lot going on and you want to be lazy, just, you know, auto mask is easier. So then I'm gonna go to the transform part, and I'm gonna just put me on top of that like so. I'm gonna just scoot it over to my right, and then I'm gonna go back to editor, and I'm gonna go to mask outline, and I'm gonna just keep it white, and I'm gonna keep it this size. So yeah, check. Of course you can change the colors, you can do what you want, it's your thumbnail. So yeah, so I'm gonna just show y'all how you can color fill the back. So it says color fill, right? Oh, wait a minute. That's wrong. So then you're gonna go back to the layers app. So as you can see from the top, right now it's doing the top picture that I got. So then I have to go to the second one, which is the background, to do color fill, and then you can change the color to whatever you want. I'm gonna just pick a random color. I do this color, check, and that's how you do that. So then after I'm done in this app, I'm gonna just save it, and then I head over to Fonto, and this is where I add my text to the picture, and I'm gonna just I'm gonna just say get ready with me. Get ready with me. Yeah, I'm gonna just do that. So I usually like to use this font right here at the top. I don't know how to say that. Norwesterner, I guess. So I usually do that font. And I'm just size it. Do a random size because I don't really care for this. Just a random size like so. Then I'm going to go to style. Go to stroke. And I'm just do a black outline like I always do in most of my thumbnails. I really don't try to do too much. Don't be over the top of anything. So, like so. Then I'm just move it. Go back to style. Go to, oh, yeah. Go back to style. Go up to style. And I'm going to pick, like, it's going to have, like, a glow effect at the bottom. You probably can tell a little bit. So it can make it stand out a little bit more. So, yeah. So then I'm going to just save that. Save image. Then I'm going to go over to the last app, which is PicsArt. And I use PicsArt for my stickers that I use. Or if I want to add another picture on top of a picture. I can do that with the first app that I did. But I just like using PicsArt because I feel like it's a little bit easier for me. So then I'm going to just look up. I'm going to just use a random sticker. Because, of course, you can look up stickers. Okay, this random crown emoji. I'm going to just use this right here. Just add it to the thumbnail. But that is so random. Let me type in YouTube. This how I be getting like YouTube logo. I'm going to just I'll put this red arrow. No cap, this kind of a cute thumbnail, low key. Oh, I like that red arrow. So then I'm going to just position the sticker to how I want it. So I want it like that, just pointing at me. And I'm going to click apply. Then next, then download photo. And then that's how it looks. So I'm also going to show y'all how y'all can upload it from YouTube Studio. So I'm going to just, oh, not my settings, sweetie. Go back here, go to YouTube Studio. I'll do this video that's uploading right now. So I'm going to just say edit thumbnail. Put this one in, select, then save. My phone be taking a little minute to save. So then it's saved and now it's up. So yeah, y'all, that is how you make a thumbnail using your iPhone. So I hope this video explained everything. I literally showed y'all everything that I do in the process of my thumbnails. And also, if you don't want to go to Fonto for the fonts, you can also use PicsArt. They have fonts too, and they also have outline. So I prefer the first app that I've been using because I feel like the outlines look a little bit more cleaner and like the line is, perfect to me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to be notified when I post a video. And remember to live your best life. And I'm out. Peace. Y'all, so it's editing dirty here. So clearly I can't read at all, and I had a major slow moment on camera, but it's okay. So the app is called Superimpose X. Okay, I don't know where I was getting Supreme from. I'm adding extra letters. It is Superimpose X. So that's the name of the app. I just wanted to come in and tell y'all that. But while I'm here, make sure you like this video, comment.